I highly recommend you to be active in networking events, online and offline. Both of them are good. As long as you get a chance to meet someone new, that will be very beneficial to you to a long term. I had a LinkedIn account, but I hadn't used it for a very long time. So I couldn't figure out the login. Then I opened this new LinkedIn account about 3 weeks ago. And as I told you in the group, after class group, I have been searched over 100 times, right? This is a breakdown. As you can see in Zoom, this is a breakdown of who are searching me. This is really an interesting finding, actually. To me, it's interesting. I know I'm a business analytics professor, so I know IT professionals they will search me. And to my surprise, you see, 25% of recruiters are searching me. I'm actually not searching for a job. I'm not looking for a job right now. But 25% of people that are searching me are recruiters. I believe some of the people that are searching you are potential employers as well. And 12% of them are program managers. To my surprise, 12% of them are investment banking analysts. So to me, this is a new finding, right? I'm wondering why people in finance search me. So what do you think?
Different skills might be connected to the finance field. You have business. Let's say one person has one skills in business.
Yes. Very good points. Very good points. They are actually not searching me because I'm very interested in financial data analytics. I did a lot of finance research and tutorial creation in my spare time. What is the latest and the most popular fintech right now? Starting with a C. C and R. Cryptocurrencies, right? I'm really interested in cryptocurrencies. So in my spare time, I recorded a video about the top 10 most popular cryptocurrencies, and I listed that video on my LinkedIn page. So this 12% of people that are searching me, they are actually not searching me, Bohan. They were actually searching for information, tutorials about latest cryptocurrency tutorials. And then LinkedIn recommended my page to them. That's why 12% of people that are searching me are from a finance side, from investment banking side. My point for everyone is, I highly recommend you to be active in the social networking scene. But if you just keep updating your resume, that's not social networking. You have to be creative. For example, if you are interested in something, you create a tutorial, and then you publish, you write a paper, write an article to discuss the new technology or any new things. I'm not sure what the new thing is. You know it because you know what you are interested in, right? No matter what, create something, create some contents, and then list the content on your LinkedIn page. So when people searching for something, LinkedIn can recommend your page to them. Now, I don't know who these people are, but at least in the finance field, some investment bankers know there is a guy in a corner somewhere in the world called Bohan. So if you keep contributing the new contents in LinkedIn, and then you will build up your reputation. And then the future employers will know you. You basically become a brand. They already know you have the skill. Like Suraj said, they are not searching me. They were searching some skill, some people with the skill. Then LinkedIn recommended me. This is how you do networking, right? Be creative. I have found a problem. I have been teaching business analytics for almost 10 years. The more I teach, the more groups of students I met, the more I realized what this problem is. In a business analytics major, in any university, from UTD, UNT, right? I'm talking about all universities. Every business analytics major is facing the same issue. What is the issue? So I want to hear your feedback.
The recruiters, they're not clear.
They are not clear. Very good point. Analytics of what? Let me type in. You have learned a bunch of models, optimization analysis, right? Advanced analytics, data warehousing, Python programming, R programming. But that's just the skill set, right? That's just the toolbox. But the recruiters, the future employers don't know where to place you. I just happened to hear a very interesting story. One manager said, if two guys come to me to apply for a job, right? Both of them have learned linear regression model. One guy talk about, oh, you have to look at p-value. You have to look at the significance level. Another guy tell me, manager, I can use linear regression model to analyze the relationship between the customer's incomes and how much car they can afford. Which guy will you hire? Second guy, right? Yeah, the guy that can apply linear regression to address some business questions. The more I teach business analytics here, the more I realize that you must identify your expertise. You cannot say I'm a business analytics major. Everybody is a business analytics major. What is your expertise? Is that finance, financial data analytics, or marketing, or accounting data analytics? I'm not sure what, because I don't know what you are interested. However, you have to identify the expertise for yourself and then start working on it, right? For example, if you are interested in finance, then you have to do a research in financial data analytics, or you write an article to discuss the stock market. I'm not sure what, but you have to identify your interest area and your expertise. I have seen a lot of resumes on LinkedIn. People say, I know Python, R, Tableau, but they have never give me a feeling that they can apply these skills to a real world. Right? That's the difference between some people who got hired immediately and some people who keep looking for jobs.